Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today you can see a nice canvas and we're going to draw a nice guitar here. Okay, so first we are going to draw like this one, and you can see the stand comes up straight like here, and draw a curve pattern like this one, and you can see it's going to be like a wave here, and these lines, this is coming just right here, and you can see the curve like this one. Awesome. So partially viewed, we are going to draw the other sides of the guitar here, and you can see the wave pattern comes up here, and this is just going to the bottom, and some parts, these are the symbols for electric guitar, few keys here. All these symbols defines very nicely the tone of the guitar symbol. Okay, and here we're going to put a different color pattern, and that's going to be the red color. We're putting some dark red color to draw the guitar very nicely. Here you're going to see some key and few modifying or few regulator with which you can just maintain the sounds and the combinations of some other parts. Okay, and here you're going to see some, the oil mesh, and you can see the chords of the guitar. So this is just like a graphics. Awesome. And after this one, few orange color tone we are going to put for each of the the side pattern and the control keys. And for the depth, we are just putting some orange on the sides of the guitar, just including the thickness so that it looks good. So on the left side, we are putting that types of thickness to see how does it look, and it's getting really wonderful. So on the left side only. Awesome. And after this one, we're going to put some shades and shadow. Let's start with the blue color, and you can see just putting shades from the left side. You can see the thickness coming up, and just mixing up the whole canvas, and just merging with the white color and coming from the left side. So after completions of the drawing, I hope this is going to be very nice. Okay, so coming up for the stand from top to the bottom. Awesome. For the top portion, we're just going to put some orange color. Awesome. And here you can see some orange color at the benchmark in the middle. And few orange here at the bottom. So color pattern is changing. Okay, and dark red is just coming up on the right side, just like a shadow, very lower intensity, and totally the guitar looks very colorful. Awesome. Connecting all the parts with the pencil. Awesome. This is it. So very colorful. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Thank you so much. Have a good day.